All right, so the first thing to get the old one off here, we need a Torx bit screwdriver, or I have a hex screwdriver here, which will work. And we'll just go ahead and undo this. Now, these screws, the only screw holding this one in is this one here. There's a little hook behind this. Once we get this off, I'll show you. We want to keep the screw. We'll just set the screw right here so we don't lose it, and then back up to our visor. You can see here, now it's out. There's a little hook here. We got that out. And then we'll just pop this off. Then for our new one here, get it lined up there, latch that plastic piece in there, and then we'll just get that into place to hold it up. And we'll take our screw, put it back onto the end of the Torx bit here, and then go ahead and just line it up into this hole. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but we'll just start going like that. Make sure you don't cross thread it so you don't mess up the threads. We feel good so far. And once we get that tightened up enough, we are all done. We have a working visor again. It holds forward, holds back, and we're all good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody.